In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Squarespace email marketing. To get started, open your browser and log into your Squarespace account. Use your normal sign-in method and make sure you are entering the dashboard for the website you want to manage. Once you are logged in, you should be on your main Squarespace account area, where you can access your site settings, content, and marketing tools. This is the starting point for creating and sending an email campaign from inside Squarespace. After you are in your dashboard, look at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. From there, click Campaigns. This section is where Squarespace groups its marketing tools, including email campaigns. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to confirm that you are working inside the correct website before moving forward. That helps make sure your email design, branding, and audience are connected to the right project. Next, select Email Campaigns. This will bring you into the email marketing area of Squarespace. Here, you can create new campaigns, view existing drafts, and manage emails that you have already worked on. If this is your first time using Squarespace email campaigns, the page may look fairly simple, but the main option you need is the one that lets you begin a new email. Now click Create to start a new project. This opens the setup flow for a new email campaign. At this point, Squarespace is preparing the workspace where you will build the message that subscribers will receive. Think of this as the beginning of your email design process, where you choose the structure before adding your own content. You will now be asked to choose an email template, or you can start from a blank layout. Templates are useful because they give you a ready-made structure with sections already arranged for you. This can save time if you want a polished design quickly. If you prefer full control, a blank layout gives you a clean starting point. Choose the option that best fits the type of email you are creating, whether it is a newsletter, announcement, promotion, or update. Once the template or blank layout opens, use the editor to customize the email. You can update the text, replace images, adjust buttons, and change styles so the campaign matches your brand. As you work, focus on making the message clear and easy to read. Update headings, body text, and button labels so they guide the reader naturally. You can also adjust visual elements like colors and images to match the look of your website or business identity. After your design begins to take shape, click the profile icon to configure your sender details. This is where you set the from name and sender email address that people will see in their inbox. Make sure the name is recognizable, such as your business name or brand name. This helps subscribers understand who the email is from before they open it. The sender details are important because they affect trust and recognition. Next, click Add Audience. This is where you choose who will receive your email campaign. You can upload a subscriber list or select an existing mailing list if you already have one saved in Squarespace. Take a moment to confirm that the correct audience is selected. Sending to the right list helps make sure your message reaches the people who actually signed up to hear from you. Before sending, click Preview or Send Test Email. This step is important because it lets you check how the email looks before it goes out to your audience. Review the layout, spelling, images, links, and buttons. A test email is especially helpful because it lets you see the campaign in an actual inbox. If anything looks off, return to the editor and make your changes before moving on. When everything looks correct, click Review and Send. Squarespace will take you through the final review so you can confirm the campaign details, sender information, audience, and email content. Take your time on this screen, because this is the last chance to catch any mistakes before distribution. Once you are satisfied, finalize and send your campaign. That covers everything you need to know to create, customize, review, and send an email campaign using Squarespace email marketing.